Why does everything look so colorless today? Hi, Arisha. Don't be scared. I came from the kingdom of Lumoria. You can talk? And what is Lumoria? Lumoria's Heartlight is fading, and our colors are disappearing. If I can help, they'll take me there. Then get ready! The magic has chosen you! Wow, this place is beautiful! Welcome, little one. Oh, we've been waiting for you. Everything feels magical, but also sad. Our Heartlight is dying. Only someone pure-hearted can awaken it. You must find the first light. It hides in the Whispering Forest. Little girl, don't be afraid. It's okay. I'm not scared. I'm here to help.
Arisha, I knew the Heartlight would call you.
You know me? How? How?
First light is born from courage. You must show yours.
I'll do it, no matter what. You did it! That's the first light. Arisha, bring the first light to the Crystal Tower. Let's go, Lumo. We have to reach that tower.
Be careful. The tower tests the heart.
Arisha, I've been waiting.